MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
We like things that are different at MTD, and I'm here in the Hainbuch factory in Germany. I'm looking at a work holding solution in conjunction with a machine tool. Here we've got both milling work holding in operation on the right hand side, and then we've got a turning spindle here with turning work holding basically on the left. What's different about this is they're doing the two operations in one hit, so they can come down and do milling and drilling on this particular component and then turn the outside diameter or even do boring if they needed to on the second component on the left. But key to this as well is also the changeover of the work holding, and we're going to see Nazim. He's going to come in and demonstrate that to us now. So what we've seen there is how quick and how effectively this large, call it component, can be changed over. I mean, we spoke about the solution when we started, the fact that you got turning as well as milling in one machine, which is great. But I think the big emphasis here from a Hainbuch perspective is that if you are looking to change over larger parts, then their work holding is quick and it's ideal.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.